Hey, Dana here. Man, welcome to my garage. Today I'm working on the 08 Jeep Compass again. I've been having some clicking and some thumping noises in the front on the passenger side. Well, I got investigating. What are you doing? And this isn't good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that out. As you're watching that other video, I spent an hour down at Warburt's and I got me another drive shaft. So that's what we're doing right now. We're lowering this down on my center stand here. Get that wheel off the ground. Let's get this off and get that swapped out. All right, we're here and at it. Go ahead and get the Mr. Cutter key out of the nut here. I'm going to try and not have to take the brake system and all apart. I have to pull the tie rod end, and of course the ball at the bottom. Try and do it without messing up the boot. That's a brand new arm there. So we're going to go ahead and try and get that disconnected without having to mess with that. I think the sway bar link here, how did I put that? Got a new link, a new arm, already rusting up. Can you see that play? That's when you go down the road, you got thonk, clunk, 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 clunk. So that needs to be replaced. As soon as I get a minute. Alright, there we go. 180. Oh, wait a minute. Come on. Get off. Whew. Okay. Okay, it's loose. Let's get you off of there. Yeah. Alrighty. That one being 18. I get the other one out. I took that one off of the one down there. Okay. Yeah, Wilbert. Okay. I took all these tools down to Wilbert's last night, so, or yesterday. My hammer. There we go. There's my nut. Don't think. Nope. Come on. Oh, you stubborn. There she is. a little bit. Wow. Huh. Wow. Okay. Holy cow. That's tight. Alright. Let's go and try busting that loose real quick. 15. It's a gallon. I think. I might have a. No, maybe not. May not have the that aftermarket thing on it. Where's my light? But break it loose, probably hold her vice grips. Oh, no. Huh. Yeah, there it is. I don't know what that is on the back side. How? You don't get that luxury. Let's get a vice grips on it. That might hold them. Might. Where's my... It's way out here. There you go. I took nothing in it, but it's freaking. You see that shot. Top's not bad, but that bottom one's gone. Alright. If I get a set of those at the local one, probably can. Alright, this one down here. Another 18. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. Heck you doing? Okay, so we got 18 in the front. What we got in the back? $15 in the front. Yep. Okay, 18 in the back. Okay. Bye-bye. On me. Sticky up front here. Yeah, I was feeling in there the other day. A blaster. Well, it's called breaker. Blaster. There you go. Alright. Is that 15? There you are. Extension by you. Okay. Come right out now. Breaker even get on it? Might. Yeah. Let's go. Jesus. Another tool. There you go. Another tool to do a tool's job. All right. Drop that nut down there. Flying. Yep. Okay. Secure that. We're okay here. Okay. I want have my little small extension. Spread that just a little bit. There's my that. You can turn it as far as you want. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Oh, didn't you? You did. Ah. I did. I cut the boot. Ah. My new boot. Dang it. Actually. See, this is down. Bend it down as far as it'll go, actually. Yep. Yeah, so you ain't bending it no more down. You're already down as low as you're gonna go. Shoot. I just freaking, man, you did. You cracked your boot. Man, I have to do something with that now. Okay, I just compressed my spring a little bit. Okay. You know, unfortunately I put the freaking thing over that. It would have been easier probably just to pop the bolts out of it, drop it down. Okay. When I pop that out, it's gonna go swinging out yonder somewhere on me. And I think that's keeping it from swinging out. Oh, it's so hard. Ah, that hurt. Ah, you son of a bitch. Knocked me in my head. Ah! Get back in there. Ah, damn. You're almost there. Whoa! Okay. Drop that out of the way. I need to get that over there. Alright. I just shoved the shaft out on me, which is good because I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Lose all that gear oil. God darn it. Oh shoot. Well, got it out. I might as well put the new one in, huh? I'll stop it from leaking. Is it ugly, isn't it? Okay. All right. There she went. Locked it right in. All right, here we are. I'm gonna take a break. A little evolution. I'm gonna see if I can get a new one of these. And yeah, it says about a quart. I don't say a quart, but now I'm gonna have to go through the steps of filling that back up. As you can see the play. All right. Yeah, something ain't right inside there. All right. So that let go. That'll be easier to put back in than it was to take out. You need one of those long arm bearing removers. And I don't have one. I need to buy one because I do so many freaking lower ball joints, tie rods, and it just gets crazy. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna take a break. Okay, we're back. Now, what it is, I got you lined up, and then the shaft is gonna have to slide in there, and then the little ball joint line right up. Oh, you missed. Shoot. Ah, you missed. Alright. Okay. Ball joint in. I'll line that up. Now, get in there. Boom, 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 boom. There she is. All right. Woo. All right. The shaft to pull in as soon as we get the tie rod in, or the dead in there. Feel at the top of this. Yeah, okay. Good shape. Get your push pin. I need my nut. All right. All right. Okay. To the end here. Where did that come from? Da, 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 da. What was on there? Well. No. Okay. That's you. Oh, shit. Yeah, I dropped it when I dropped it. Okay, 18. $18.50. There we go. There, nope, go the other direction now. Alright. We'll torque those up here in a moment. Alright. Where's my cast laid in there? This. I had a washer for that, huh? Or is that the whole deal? Thinking that's the whole schmeal. And no, we don't. Bringing you up snug. You're snug. I still got to torque it. Takes care of that. All right. I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop off tomorrow. I'm gonna go get me another. I got a little bit of blood on my nose. When that freaking bar came off of there, coming back at me. Freaking knocked the GoPro down and knocked the little beam right here. Nailed me in my forehead. Gonna happen. Now time to torque everything up. So I got the ball joint pinch nut, has to be torqued, and that is 60 foot-pounds. And I got to get the tie rod end torqued to the steering knuckle. Let's get that done. Steering knuckle 97. Let's get that done. Freaking cooking over here. It's freezing. We got snow coming down like everything. All right, so right now I got the pinch bolt. And pinch bolt. 18. All right. I already got it. Yeah, I already got it that tight. Okay. Don't take much. We'll go ahead and get you done your 90. 97. I gotta get it down close enough right now, and then be able to get a Mr. And line it up with the hole. Let's see. It's probably should probably already hit it at 90 already. 97. I have to set it 60. Main thing is everything's tight, you know. 90. 98. It's almost 100 pounds, 100 foot-pounds. Okay. Okay. Getting there. Don't be. Break it. Nope. Line up with that. That's good enough. That's tight. Turn the whole thing. I'm not gonna be able to get another hole. All right, so it's tight. Let's get a. Some of you just have the neoprene lock on it. Where's my? Get a into there. Oh yeah. I gotta make sure I get some. This is dry down here, so I'll make sure I get some silicone on that. Fill that hole in. That bites. Okay, so gonna get the big one. I'm gonna get that as soon as we get the hang on it. All right, yeah, I gotta do that. Tighten that back up. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna order a end for that. Oh, you're still firing up out. You're not gonna grab them, are you? There you go. Alright. Good enough. Alright. Yeah, the vice grips appear to do okay. Okay. Hear that. Pinch bolt's tight. I need a counter key for that. This puppy here is going to be next as soon as I get the tire on. stuff put away. Alright, now I need to get some, like I said, silicone on that thing here. Cutter keys. We'll be done. Alright. Tire back on. And then we got to service the transaxle. Yeah. That wasn't good. Did that. Okay, good. If it's clean, your silicone's gonna fill it in. And she's gonna dry. Just repairing that. Your rip. God. Like I said, I want to get a ball joint. Let's see, how are you going to do that? You can't take the centerpiece out. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, no. Those are specially put in there. Oh, no. Jeez. Gee, not good. Alright. Somewhere to keep that from spinning. So I don't know if I can get 180 foot-pounds on that. Yeah, see? We have a transaxle rotating. Alright. Come up a little bit. Get them both off the run. All right. Okay. Shoe. Get me up. Right. That's tight. Unfortunately, there's no. A little bit. Gotta go a little bit more because I can't quite get that card key on there. Let me go after the whole thing. Alright. Spun that wheel. Oh, I got him up. Get the card key. Card key through there. Okay. Get the card key through there. Alright, so it takes care of that. Let's get them. Oh, man. Okay, everything is almost. The card key through that one? Yep. Let's see. The card key. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Going where? That spread was my. Okay. Good. Alrighty. Secure that one. And then another one to go through that one. Alright, we'll go. New Carter key. We are all set here. Let's get the tire back on. We'll be done for this evolution. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Next video you'll probably see is I'll be changing out the control, the sway bar arms as soon as I get them in. If you want to buy them in advance, then you know you can do that. They're $35 a piece, and unfortunately I couldn't afford that today, so got to get it back on the road and get rolling. Got to check the transaxle fluid, because we lost about, I would say, about a half a pint out of that. So step in this thing is to check that transfer case, and we got to go with, that's going to PU 8090 or GL gear, axle lubricant equivalent, non-synthetic. So let's see, 18 hours. That is located right, I'm looking up now, it's right there, and it says looks like lighter than gear oil though. Huh. I wonder why it says it's actually lighter than that. 8090 is pretty thick. Let's see. Need something else. 8090, yeah. Synthetic. Roll this out real quick. If I got oil coming out of here, then I know I'm good. If I don't, yep, we're good. There might have been more in there than actually needed. Huh. Alright, I'm happy. We're not messing with the gear system. Alright. Alright, we're done here. Finally, huh? I'm so happy. All I do is gotta come back and do the change those there. That's all right there. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe.